Hi guys, it's an update to the PC that I built last month. Built it about 4 weeks ago. There's a video on there when it was built. Since then, the last 4 weeks I've upgraded a couple of parts in there. First off is I've added a Xfi Extreme Gamer sound card. I was running on board before. Noticed the difference in frames in your games, plus also your music and videos sound 10 times better than the regular on board. Still running the 18800 GTX. I've got another one coming on Thursday next week to run SLI. Also swapped the E6850 dual core CPU out. Stuck a quad core in there. It's got Q6600, which is clocked at 3.51 GHz. Stuck another 2 GB of RAM in there, and that's underneath the OCC RAM cooler. It's got 4 GB in total. The reason I put another 2 in there is because I've upgraded to Vista Ultimate, which is a 64-bit, so obviously you get to use the full amount of RAM that you've got in your PC. So I did have a 5.8 score last time. That was because of the dual core. I've got a 5.9 now and everything. So I've got disk transfer rate, 3D gaming, aero, the memory, plus the calculations processor gives you a 5.9 in total. Show you I've got the overclock there, which is 3.51 GHz. So the CPU just show you quad core. It was 2.40. Now it's 3.51, and it's running quite cool underwater, 35 degrees per core. It's pretty warm in my room at the moment because it's getting to winter. It's cold outside, so the heating on. But yeah, if the heating's off, it drops down to about 30 degrees, which is very good. And that's all still tucked in the Thermaltake Candalf liquid cooling case. So yeah, next Thursday I'll be putting another video on once the A800 is SLI'd up with its other one. So hopefully you should notice a big improvement. Thanks for watching.